Okay, so finally my charging problems has been solved with this product. This is a USB-C charger. It's a 100-watt 4-port desktop charger. Let's take a look at it. So it comes with this long USB-C cable that connects like the charger to the power adapter. Then we got a USB type A to 3 ports. A lightning connector and USB-C and micro USB. And also we got iPhone charger, which is USB-C to lightning connector. Let's connect it and test it out. So here I'm connecting it to the power adapter, and let's try if it can charge multiple devices at one time. So I got my iPhone charged, okay, and then I got this game controller, which is USB-C. Okay, it is charging. That's cool. So they are charging at the same time, which is cool, yeah. And then I have this mini ring light. I can charge it with it. That's awesome. Also, I can charge my laptop with it. It gives me a USB-C up to 100-watt output power, and the USB-A gives me up to 27 watt, which is really good for phones. And it's featuring overcharging and overheating and over voltage and short circuit protection.